Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs. Today we got something good today. We're going to be doing some Carne Asada tacos, you guys. Yes, you know what I'm saying? It's that month, you know what I'm saying? Cinco De Mayo month, so we're going to be doing some Carne Asada tacos. So we got all the ingredients. We got our Carne Asada meat, beef, steak, you know what I'm saying? Thinly cut, you know what I'm saying? So what we're going to do is I'm going to be marinating. Actually, I'm marinated with this marinade I made, some time back. Yes, it's in a ketchup bottle, but I couldn't find nowhere to store it. Best bottle though to do it in. But I'm gonna leave a description. I'll link at the top. You know what I'm saying, on where I made it. How I made this, because I did make a video on how to make this marinade right here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get into putting the marinade on the steak. Season it up, and then we're gonna be using the Ninja Foodi Grill. The Ninja Foodi XL Grill we're going to be using to do this in. You know what I'm saying? It's raining outside, so we're going to be grilling inside. That's why I got this. For that exact reasons, guys. So let's get into, marinating this steak. What we're going to do is I'm going to put the marinade on top of the meat. Spread it around and stuff like that. You don't need that much. What you're going to do is make sure you got it on all sides of the meat and stuff like that. What you're gonna do is you can let it sit for about a good, say hour, with the marinade on there before we throw it on the grill. It smells good. Yeah, it smells good. All right, you guys. So just make sure all of it is fully covered with the marinade on it. And after we just sit there and marinate, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. And after an hour, we're gonna get ready to season it up, throw it on the grill. All right, so now we took, the Carne Asada out of the refrigerator. It's been about an hour. What we're doing is we're gonna preheat our Ninja Foodi Grill. So we're gonna put it on max because this is a thin piece of steak. So what we wanna do is don't wanna overcook it. And it's gonna be on a shorter time. So what we're gonna do right now is season it up with this Uncle Chris gourmet steak seasoning. Really good seasoning. So I'm just, make sure I season it all the way around. Make sure I thoroughly get it in there. And, it's going to be pretty good, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I love Carne Asada meat. It's really thin, nice. Just, to have a guest over, even for yourself. Good grilling meat, for folks, especially for tacos, man. But what we're going to do is I just finished seasoning it. Don't season too much because it is a thin piece of meat. So you can over salt it, so you want to make sure you don't do that. So just lightly season it, because especially if you have a marinade on it, this marinade is a mild salt in it, so that's why I wanted to make sure that I season it, well with this. And this, so once this gets done and preheated and get ready to start, we're gonna get ready to throw these on here, but and get to making some tacos after we finish. All right, so it's ready to add the food. So get ready to add the Carne Asada on there. We're not gonna crowd it up, just put it in. Good. Crispy. Like I said, don't overcrowd it. So we're only going to put a few in here. Spread it out so you can get an even cook. Close it down, guys. All right, so it's done, you guys. So we're going to take it off. So it was just about 2.5 minutes. That's all you need. Don't overcook it. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want your Carne Asada meat to be tough. All right, you guys. So let's get over to assembling these tacos. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some taco shells in here. In the Ninja Foodi Grill. To finish this all off. See, we already got some green onions in there, and we're gonna let them get ready to, grill up, some tortillas so we can make these tacos. Now, the great thing about this Ninja Foodi Grill, you can grill great tacos in here. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. So we're gonna get ready to assemble these tacos, this Carne Asada tacos. So you can sear your tortillas, hook up your green onions. So let's get over. All right, you guys, so now everything is done. The tortilla is done, everything. So now it's time to just assemble this taco. So I'm gonna take a piece of it. This meat is real tender, you guys. So it's gonna be really simple and easy to put together. So, yep. So, all right, fill your taco up, Or we're gonna add a little onions in there. Onions on top. Always gotta have some good onions. You know, some cilantro. You know what I'm saying? For some color. And a little pico. You know, you can't have tacos without pico. Oops. Look at this all over the place. But anyway. But yeah. A little more pico. Alright, you guys. This taco looking good. Let me try it out just to get a taste on it. Alright, guys. Now this carne asada right here is a winner carne asada dinner, you guys. I definitely give this a thumbs up. You know, let me get to wrapping up these tacos, put them all together and assemble them. But like I said, thanks for stopping by. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not, welcome back, you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next dish.